Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back. So I've got the winners' names drawn for the April FPV giveaway. You've all already been notified via email, so definitely check your inbox, check your spam folder. You'll be looking for an email from bayareafpv.com. You have 7 days to get back to me with your shipping information, and I will get your prize out to you right away. So without further ado, the first place Tiny Whoop Builders package goes to Sidney Horne. Congratulations. The second place Mitsuko Plus FPV frame goes to Reck. Congratulations, Aaron. And the third place video transmitter goes to Christine Weary. Congratulations. So those of you that didn't win, better luck next time, but thank you very much for taking the time to enter and participate. The May giveaway is going to have some pretty nice prizes, so definitely keep an eye out. In the next couple days, I'll be putting that up. Thanks guys, see you next time.